It's time to welcome the man whose mission has transformed not only policies but the Valencia Harold's lives. A servant leader whose leadership echoes in every school built, every road paved, and every dream uplifted. His name is synonymous with development and discipline. A technocrat with hardcore service, with credentials that speaks loud volumes. He has set a gold standard in leadership, not just in Valencia, but for the entire province. His past term was marked with change, impact, inclusion, and innovation. Ladies and gentlemen, Engineer Jalisho Neil Ehimalibe, Chief JD, PhD.
You lead a community. Dili sa iyo. Tinaon ang mahaging pagsulay o kakamot. But at the center of each challenge is my great hope for a better, affectionate, responsive, unifying government. Bahu is not just a political stand. It is our guiding principle as one team that envisions a better Valencia. Taliwala sa mga hagin, barug. Taliwala sa katapoy, barug. Together, we go beyond. Dungan ta sa pagbarug, pagkumbati, aron kitang tanan mo abante. Because Valencia, you deserve more.
Request everyone to please stand. Ladies and gentlemen, it is our distinct honor to present to you the municipal mayor of Valencia, Bohol. Let's give a big round of applause to Engineer Judicial Neil Ehimalibe, PhD.
I, Judicio D. Angco Balite,
having been elected
having been elected to the position of Municipal Mayor
Municipality of Valencia, Province of Bohol,
of the Municipality of Valencia, Province of Bohol,
do hereby solemnly swear
do hereby solemnly swear
I will faithfully discharge
I will faithfully discharge
to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability
the duties of my present position
the duties of my present position
and of all others
and of all others
I may hereafter hold
that I may hereafter hold
under the Republic of the Philippines.
under the Republic of the Philippines,
And I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same.
that I will bear true faith, allegiance to the same,
And I will obey the laws,
that I will obey the laws,
legal orders, and decrees
legal orders, and decrees
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities
promulgated with the newly constituted authorities
of the Republic of the Philippines.
of the Republic of the Philippines,
That I impose this obligation
and that I impose this obligation
upon myself voluntarily,
upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, Mayor Judicial D.